Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 11th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And also make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD I actually think is an extremely clear Elliott wave pattern on the monthly time frame. This is the full top down analysis, so we're going to go all the way from the monthly down to the 1 hour. I think this is very, very clearly one, two, three waves down for a W. One, two, three waves up for an X. I think this is impulsive down, so that's the impulsive wave A. This is the one, two, three waves of the B. Now we should be in an impulsive five waves down for the wave C to complete this W, X, three waves of wave Y. A W should be three waves, a X should be three waves, and a Y should be three waves. We got the A of Y, we got the B of Y, and we are likely in five waves down for a wave C of wave Y. That potentially puts us all the way down to someplace around the 1.16 area. But just keep in mind, this pattern right here most likely will take years to play out. Probably not just this year, but potentially next year also. But I don't really care if you're trading all the way down on the 1 minute time frame. These full top down analysis is extremely important no matter what time frame you are trading for primary direction. Going down to the weekly time frame. So yes, on the weekly time frame, we definitely did make a really engulfing move up. And I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case we do get a fib bounce and it turns back up. But this is definitely not a fib bounce. And to me, this really looks like a 1, 2, 3. Now, if this is really making five waves down, usually a wave one of a five-way pattern will take out the structure of the previous move. So I think this is actually just going to end up being like a bull trap. I think it's going to go down and make something like this for like five waves of wave one, which is only a wave one of the five waves on the monthly time frame. Hopefully you understand how trends subdivide on multiple time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we got to break a structure up on the daily. We also have what I would consider probably a pretty decent subdivision here. We got a wave one, two, and then we have one, two, three, four, five of three. We have a pullback for a four, and we have a wave five. More than likely, this move up right here is very, very, very likely just a pullback. So I would expect maybe a 38% pullback, maybe a little more, but I don't really think it's going to go too much more than that before it continues the downtrend. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. I mean, this could literally just make a 23% pullback, do something like this and then just continue right down. So keep an eye on your fib levels for sure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have what I would consider an impulsive move up. Now, I was also taking into consideration maybe this is an A, B, and C, which it definitely could be, especially looking at some other dollar pairs. Like I said, if you do get a Fibonacci bounce, especially if you see a break of structure on like the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely go back to looking for shorts. I mean, there's a chance this thing literally could just keep on going down. Now, more than likely, even if it does go down and break structure, it's probably going to make a like I think that more than likely this is an A, which means that the next move down would probably be a wave B, and then it would probably go up to maybe the 38% for a wave C. But I definitely think if we see a break of structure, we want to start looking for shorts, hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether we're in a very overlapping corrective wave B or a very impulsive wave, continuation of a wave on the higher time phase to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are at a Fibonacci level right now. If it goes down and breaks structure, start looking for shorts, like I was explaining on the 4 hour. If it doesn't go down and if it doesn't break structure, even if it goes down and takes out this, that doesn't mean anything to me. It has to take out this structure with momentum for me to become a seller. If it just goes down a little bit and then makes a higher low, go long again. And the trend is your friend. If it goes down and breaks structure with momentum, start looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.